Baklava. Ingredients. For the baklava: 1 pound chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pistachios are best, or use a combination of them. 1 pound phyllo dough. 1 cup butter, melted. 1/3 cup sugar. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/3 teaspoon ground cloves. For the syrup: 1 cup water. 1 cup sugar. ½ cup honey. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 cinnamon stick. Finely ground pistachios for garnish, optional. Lightly grease a 9x13 pan and set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Thaw the phyllo dough according to manufacturer's directions. This may take overnight. When thawed, roll out the dough and cut the dough in half so the sheets will fit in the pan. Cover with a damp towel to keep it from drying out. Process the nuts until in small, even-sized pieces. Combine with sugar, cinnamon, and cloves. In a separate bowl, melt the butter in the microwave. Place a sheet of phyllo dough into the pan. Using a pastry brush, brush the phyllo sheet with melted butter. Repeat 7 more times until it is 8 sheets thick, each sheet being painted with the butter. Spoon on a thin layer of the nut mixture. Cover with 2 more sheets of phyllo, brushing each one with butter. Continue to repeat the nut mixture and 2 buttered sheets of phyllo until the nut mixture is all used up. The top layer should be 8 phyllo sheets thick, each sheet being individually buttered. Do not worry if the sheets crinkle up a bit, it will just add more texture. Cut into 24 equal-sized squares using a sharp knife. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30–35 minutes or until lightly golden brown, and edges appear slightly crisp. While baking, make the syrup. Combine the cinnamon stick, sugar, lemon juice, honey, and water in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then reduce to medium-low heat and let simmer for 7 minutes and slightly thicken. Remove the cinnamon stick and allow to cool. Spoon the cooled syrup over the hot baklava and let cool for at least 4 hours. Garnish with some finely crushed pistachios if desired.